constituency in Uasin Gishu County. Kapseret irrigation project or dam, Your Excellency, is targeted to command 500 acres. It's one of the 10 projects we are implementing in Uasin Gishu, where we are targeting to achieve 6,000 acres, benefiting 6,000 farmers also, and have a gross income of 1.2 billion, Your Excellency, in a year. We are exactly at this point, Your Excellency. The dam capacity is 93,000, Your Excellency. And what we are doing, we are excavating, we'll be able to demonstrate. Then we are reticulating water, pumping to steel tanks using solar. Then we have a network of 33 kilometers to cover the 500 acres, benefiting the 500 farmers. Your Excellency, the total project cost is 101 million Kenya shillings, and the contractor commenced in February last year, and we expect by April this year the project will be delivered. Your Excellency, when you look in terms of the income, we are going to get 250,000 in terms of income for every farmer. So we are talking of an income of 125 million Kenya shillings every year, so that the payback period of the project is within a year also, Your Excellency. So apart from this, Your Excellency, I've mentioned there are 10 other projects which you're implementing, and all of them by the end of the financial year, by June, we should be able to actualize. Your Excellency, my peers will be reaching out to you. We have a shortfall in terms of financing of about 500 million Kenya shillings. And if that is given, Your Excellency, we'll be able to deliver all the projects and have all that area under education. Overall progress, Your Excellency, is about 87 in terms of progress. 13% will be done in the next 3-4 months. In April, we should be able to commission the project. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Nitaomba kwamba tutaingia viongozi wachache kwa sababu sehemu yetu ni haba, only 8 leaders. Viongozi wachache peke yao kwa sababu nafasi ni chapa. Mheshimiwa Rais, naibu wa rais, mawaziri wetu wawili, PS, CEO, Governor na Mheshimiwa Sudi. Nitaomba kwa heshima Sudi kwa sababu ya nafasi. Tafadhali.
Emily.
Kimuri. Pale Kimuri ni touch.
Your Excellency.
So in Nepal, naambiwa hamko live, sijui kama nikukatika katika. Haina shida. Let's do the 500 for phase 1 for everybody, and then we can now come back.
Or remove all the rails. 4 meters, Your Excellency.
4 meters.
Yes.
You can do 4 meters all the way.
Yeah, we can do 4 meters all the way. So, Your Excellency, that is the embankment. This is a dam reservoir, 97,000 in terms of storage. We are going to pump from here. There are 2 sumps from here. We are going to mount 2 pumps. Each of these pumps is pumped into elevated steel tanks.
The other projects, are they also at some stage?
Yes, similar progress. Yeah, 67 in terms of progress, Your Excellency.
But why did you budget for the whole amount? Why?
what we did was to start it off and maybe have the project crossing over to the other financial year. But you are saying if we get funds early, we'll be able to deliver by June, Your Excellency. Thank you, Your Excellency.
So you say it will cover how many acres?
500 for this one. But the whole of Uasin Gishu, we're talking of 3,000, benefiting 6,000 farmers.
3,000 acres?
3,000 acres, benefiting 6,000 farmers. Total investment is 150 in Uasin Gishu.
Wananchi tuwe tayari sasa kumsikiza Mheshimiwa Rais baada ya kuelekezwa kwenye ramani na hata mradi huu wa maji wa Kimuri Earth Dam. Welcome, Your Excellency.